Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you guys how you can get the special Charizard icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, as always, if you want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave links to it in the description down below. So let's get started. Now the icons that I'm talking about are not these usual starter icons. These ones right here. Meaning that you can't obtain those by just opening your Pokemon TCG account. So this is the first Charizard icon that we will be talking about. Now this one is a bit more common than the other one, and this is how you get it. So if you go to your missions right here, and from your missions if you go to themed collections right here in the bottom right corner, and in theme collections you just need to scroll down to the bottom, you can see the Charizard icon mission right here. So if I open it, you can see exactly what you need to collect to get this Charizard icon. So it says collect 5 Charizard cards. Now I collected 3 out of 5 Charizard cards, so I need to collect only 2 more and I will get this special Charizard icon. Now the way that you can optimize the process of getting the Charizard icons is by just simply opening as much Charizard packs as possible. So let's just quickly try to open this pack and see if we get lucky. Alright, a trainer card. So unfortunately, we did not get the Charizard card, but there is another way of getting it, which is a lot easier than the RNG way. So if I exit this and go to the pack points exchange right here, I can just scroll down a bit and I can actually buy Charizard cards right here. So in this case I can only buy one of Charizard cards, but if you open up enough packs, you can buy the whole set of 5 and get that icon. And now let's move over to the second Charizard icon. Now this is how this icon looks like. So this icon is actually one of the 3 rarest icons in the whole game, along with the Pikachu icon and the Mewtwo icon. Also guys, if you want to find out how to get all the rare Mewtwo icons in the game, I will leave that video in the upper right corner, and also at the end of this video. So let's continue. Now to get this Charizard icon, you need to collect every single card in the game. Yes, it's a bit much, but it is the rarest icon in the game. But the good news is that all you need to do is collect the standard rarity cards. So every card that you get will count. So you need to collect all 226 cards in the whole game. So just to recap, the first icon you can get by collecting 5 normal Charizard cards, and the second one by collecting the standard rarity of each Pokemon card in the whole game. So that's how you can get these rare Charizard icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.